Thursday. I've been sick as a dog all week. There's no way I was coming over here and giving whatever the hell I had to this one here because, well, that wasn't cool. We'll put it that way. We were going to put
heads on my engine, but
going to find out we do have lead
graphite coated gaskets instead of the multi-layer steel like they're supposed to be.
We're going to go down to International and get the proper head gaskets, unfortunately. But, and last time I bought a set for the flatbed, it was like $450. So I just got rid of him for a few minutes. He came back.
It's my house, damn it.
But for good reason. We got some steel to put a welding cart together. And we kind of drew up some hieroglyphics on how we want to do it back there somewhere. Basically, the idea is to take the TIG, the MIG, and the
plasma.
I can't remember the name of the thing. The plasma, get them all in one cart with the bottle, all the tools, this little bench grinder back here. Set it all up so we can be halfway successful with this and kind of take all three machines and combine them on one little space so we can wheel around. So anyway, while Ray gets the chop saw, I'm going to hit pause on this, reposition you, and start getting some metal out and measure. They're all jigged up, now we weld. Alright, so in all that time, we have accomplished making a square tube rectangle. Yay. Which will constitute the base of our madness. Next, put our uprights here for our shelves, something like that. Alright, so basically this is our upright part of things. Ray got the bottom welded up, just got done grinding and not wheeling that. This is going to be our upright, like I said, just going to burn it in, and then we'll attach this to that. Alright, so that's the basic structure of it. Yep, pan up.
It looks a lot bigger than it really is.
Yeah, and then once again, these be our shelves. They'll hang out on here and blah blah blah. Or this way even, depending on which one we're gonna do. But we're gonna burn these in real quick. Then I guess we're gonna get our shelves set up for whatever height we want. We do have like a 1 or 2 degree lean back, which is actually what we wanted. So, yay.
Yahoo!
Let's go. Wire.
What are you doing?
Running stuff. Burning the top on.
Okay.
I think.
We did a thing.
Yeah, we made stuff with things and helmets and paper and
We went and bought about $160 worth of steel and decided to make stuff because what we want we can't buy for what we've got into it, what it'll cost us to build.
Yep. So basically,
And it'll be a lot more versatile than anything we can buy.
yes. Work in progress. We do have a sheet of expanded behind you on the ground there that's going to line.
Basically these shelves here, down there, and at the very bottom
Yep.
to set things on.
Or who knows? We may not put some on the bottom. Therefore, we aren't tempted to put stuff there.
That would probably be the smart idea because we'll use it as a shelf and a junk collection point.
We use it for everything we forgot about. Yep. But anyway, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. Let's say we'll. Nope. Yep. We're going to wrap it up for today, and hopefully we'll be back tomorrow. Yeehaw. So what you doing? Mounts this way. Someone beautifully drilled 10 holes in a piece of metal on the wrong side.
Learn to count. There's 11 holes.
Alright, so it is Friday. I told you to be back. We're working on this. We're going to put on our shelves. So we already got our expanded cut out, so we can start putting that on. Ray also pilfered some casters off another project, so we
threw away.
Yeah, we figured we'd just reuse these. Ray also got us an axle with some wheels. So I believe we're going to go ahead and try to finish up as much of this as we can today. We'll bring it back tomorrow. So Ray's going to go ahead and re-drill this because, well,
I'm not happy with it.
he drilled the wrong side. They're beautifully matched. Couldn't get them any closer, but the wrong side, so happens when you get in a rush.
I wasn't even in a rush, just wasn't paying attention.
I'm just going to get the weldings. We're kind of on time. Yeah, as soon as he's out of the way, I'm going to start putting casters on, get wheels on this thing so we at least roll it around and kind of go from there. Yeah, so these don't have to be exactly perfect. We're just going to stick them on here and see what happens. That's about how it's going to sit. Rolls around nice and easy. It's going to burn that axle on the rest of the way, I guess. So what I end up doing, I'm going to switch machines. I'm going to the arc right quick to burn this in. I can lay down a lot more material a lot faster with the arc. And, I mean, it's 125 thou rod versus 0.35, so I can just fill this in faster. So we're on a time crunch, so we're going to do this. So now we got all this drilled in. We're going to start from the top, work our way down, and get some shelves put on. Hell yeah.
Say hi to YouTube.
So, obviously, welding car. That's our current welding car, by the way. Not even joking.
It works.
Yep.
This will be a welding cart.
Yes.
You can see we got wheels and stuff on that on the bottom there. We're getting ready to burn the second leg. Hello, don't put too much weight.
Yeah, apparently.
Second leg for the other side, and then we got one more leg, and then we can do shelves. And I promise, all these holes will make sense.
All of them? So we got all our riggers, so to speak. We got them all made. We're gonna do a little tight. You don't want it that way. Yep. 10 holes. We put 10 different rods. We got her expanded here. That'll be the shelf. We're gonna do another expanded on the bottom. On here, we're gonna do a piece of 3/16 diamond to hold the bench grinder too. We haven't figured out exactly where, but we'll figure it out here in a second. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'll burn this piece here. If I have time, I'll burn that one on, then we'll figure out the top. Friday afternoon. Yep. So we're done for the day. What we've discovered is, so you put some weight on this, they flex out pretty good. We're going to reinforce in here tomorrow. Same on the bottom because it does flexy stuff too. It just, I mean, these things are 2 feet long. What do you expect? So, but
Yay.
Coming along, it rolls around now, so that's a plus. We ain't got to carry it over the place. But tomorrow we're going to put the gas bottle on here and all that. Hopefully, if all things work right, we will catch you guys tomorrow and hopefully get this thing knocked out. Alright, so it's Saturday. We made it out here. We're trying to get this done. Try. At least get the fab work done. We have to paint it Monday, so be it. So right now, this is welded on. Yay. We started welding this yesterday. Our tip went off in the torch. I ran out of time, whatever.
It was time.
Yeah.
Combinations.
So we're going to get this all welded on here. Ray is going to...
I'm going to cut some angle to fit here on the end so that we can keep it from yoink.
See how it's flexing here on the ends? Hopefully you can see. It's doing it on both of them. We're going to take
stop
some
that.
angle iron to inset in here to strengthen it all up. Anything but the mount for the gas bottle and accessories, so to speak, cables, blah, blah, blah. And then we'll throw a coat of paint on her. So anyway, I'm going to start welding, he's going to start cutting. I think that's the way it's going to work, right? For the most part.
Yeah.
Okay, send it. Alright, so it's starting to come together a little better. You know, once again, reinforced down there and on the big shelf. This is basically what we're thinking about putting our grinder. We'll change the wheels out. Oh, that won't be hard to do, that one's loose. Change the wheels out to grind tungstens and whatnot. So I think we're just going to bolt her in here, and that's kind of where it's going to live. This space back here,
Don't know yet.
We're not 100% sure. We might put expanded, we might put a flat piece of sheet metal. We're not 100% sure. The main reason is we don't want just pile stuff up here and just it'll be a collection point. We're kind of
Trying to avoid that.
trying to avoid that. So anyway, we're gonna ponder our life decisions real quick.
Yeah.
I guess drill 2 holes. Alright. Alright. Got the top burned in, so our next step is with the gas bottle. We only have one right now, but we're going to set it up so if we decide to put another one on there, it won't be a big deal. So we're going to put our gas bottle holder there. Piece of strapping across here somewhere to put our chain. We're going to arc it in.
Bear in mind, it looks like a hot mess at the moment because we have no way of securing our cables just yet. Right now, they're just being held in place with bungees.
That's my leg.
Get out of my way. So we've got the MIG down here. We got plasma there and TIG there. We've got angle grinder on top. The bottle is secured in the back.
Yep, we just got done doing that. We did our whole chain ordeal. Kept it good and tight.
Welded the chain on one side, put a bolt in the middle. Chain hangs right on it, wing nut holds it in place, and as you can see, there's still room for another bottle over here should we need another type of gas.
So anyway, that's that. That's what we've been working on. Quick little 2-day project, so to speak, but this is something that needed to happen. We had like no room for stuff and things, and we just.
As you can tell, we still have plenty of room down here next to the MIG for whatever, for probably like additional storage. We got this here. We're not sure what we're going to do back here because it's all open.
Not 100% sure yet.
It'll come in time. So other than that, it's Saturday. It's the end of the day. We're hurting.
Yep. We're going to wrap it up for the week. Not sure exactly what we're getting into next week. Not 100% sure yet.
We'll find something stupid to do.
Always. So like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff.
Yep.
Ring the bell.
Yep. Get notifications.
Yes, and hopefully next week won't be as nuts, and we'll see you on Monday.
Yahoo.
Oh, excuse me.
I didn't see you grabbing it. I didn't see you having the balls to do it.
Okay, right about that. We'll have the basis of our parts. Sometimes I want something like this. If we only had a cart to put that on.
You know? I'm a welder.